Look, rain. Run. Let's catch this rain. What will a plumber do with a pot? Bring out the rain barrel like Janaki Amma. Janaki Amma has sure brought home the rain barrel. But where is she going to place it? Wherever she uses water the most. The rain barrel is usually placed in the utensil washing area or the laundry area. The car park and garden are also ideal locations for it. The rain barrel can be used as the first step to introduce people to rainwater harvesting. Now let's learn how to put together a complete rainwater harvesting system using a rain barrel. For a sloped roof, you need gutters to catch rainwater. There are two details one should remember while rigging up a gutter: the drip putty and angle of the gutter. Absence of the drip putty detail makes rainwater spill towards the house. When the angle of the gutter is in the same line as the edge of the roof, rush of rainwater spills outside the gutter. The angle should be above the line of the roof, and the drip putty detail should be worked into the edge of the roof so that the flow of rainwater is correctly directed.